Welcome. If you're tired of seeing product announcements pop up in your Instagram notifications, you're not alone. These notifications can be distracting, but the good news is that you can easily turn them off right from your phone's settings. Here's how you can disable product announcements, notifications on Instagram, with the latest steps for 2025. Start by unlocking your phone and heading straight to the Settings app. This is where you manage everything about your device, including how apps send you notifications. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section lists all the applications installed on your device. Find Instagram in the list and tap on it to open the app-specific settings. Next, tap on Notifications. This menu allows you to customize exactly which types of notifications Instagram can send you. You'll see a list of notification categories, each controlling a different kind of alert from the app. Look for the option labeled Product Announcements. This is the category responsible for those updates and promotional messages from Instagram. To stop receiving these notifications, simply toggle off the switch next to Product Announcements. That's it. With this option turned off, Instagram will no longer send you notifications about new product launches or announcements. You'll still receive other notifications you care about, like messages or comments, but those promotional alerts will be a thing of the past. Taking a moment to adjust your notification settings can make your Instagram experience much more enjoyable and less cluttered. You're now in control of what you see and when you see it, so you can focus on the content and connections that matter most to you. If you ever change your mind or want to re-enable product announcements, just follow these steps again and toggle the option back on. Enjoy a quieter, more personalized Instagram feed.